Hello my people, it's Elstar Africa here again with another interesting and amazing episode. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this gimbal. I don't know if you've seen this before. I'm going to be unveiling this gimbal in this video. It's a very old model. Let me start from there. It's a model that I think it came out some 5 years ago. So today we're going to be seeing what this gimbal can actually do. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q. I think one of the first models of the gimbal. So let's actually unfold or unveil this. It isn't brand new, so we're gonna be unveiling to see what this gimbal has got. Fingers crossed. Let's go. So I mean, this is basically the back. So this is what it comes inside like. I don't know if you can see this. So since it isn't brand new, it actually has to come and then you unveil, and I mean it's just some few months of use, and normally it's supposed to come with a user manual, I think a USB cable for charging and probably some other stuff, but because it isn't brand new, so this is what we've got. So this is it. I'm gonna be filming I'm gonna be filming more about it to show you what it actually, what it looks like actually. So first things first, you actually got to turn the gimbal on. I don't know if you can turn that on without a mobile phone on it, but let's try this. I mean, this phone is small. Yeah, I've got a smaller phone on that, so oh my goodness. This can't work. So I don't know, bro. Okay, now this is my recording. Like, this is where all of my audio is coming from, so if I actually got to interrupt this, then I don't know what I'm doing. No, it can't work. But turning it on without a phone on it isn't that advisable. I got this gimbal because I want more stable videos. I want to take some exceptional shots that I wasn't able, or that I've not been able to take with the normal tripod that I've got. So this gimbal is actually gonna help. I mean, I got this on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, it's a cool place to be. I mean, it's a cool site on Facebook to get your stuff. Probably locally, if you want fairly used, and you could as well get brand new stuff from the Facebook Marketplace. It all depends on your price. Let's go for the official unveiling. Let's go. So unveiling it, this is how we got to go about it. So this is what we've got. So this is what it actually looks like. So we have to remove, and so this is basically it. This is the power on button. This button you zoom in, you zoom out, and these are the modes. This is the joystick. You see, you can actually do it this way, and that's what you've got. So this is what it looks like, so you can actually see. It's that simple. And this is the charging port. It's an Android. I don't know which type this is called, but it has actually got as well a USB cord here where you can actually plug in your USB cable to charge your phone while filming. So it's a plus for this gimbal. How cool is this? This looks really cool in my eyes. This is actually the gimbal like that when it's not switched on yet. Alright, so right now you can look at what the joystick is actually doing. You see that, yeah. So I could decide to make it go like this. It's basically what it does. Depending on which direction you make it go to. Say That's it. And this is the reaction of the gimbal once it's off. Yeah, so that's it. Show you how calibrated this stuff is. Taking you inside the zhiyun app. This is what it looks like once you click on the app. You have to connect by Bluetooth, and once the device is connected, before connecting by Bluetooth, you have to choose the model of your gimbal before you are able to actually connect by Bluetooth. And this is what the homepage of the app actually looks like. So it's got a bunch of options. You can actually change the color of your the filters of probably the shot you want to take. You change the filters, you can add the brightness. This is done on the screen of the phone, and you can switch either to shoot from the back or from the front camera. It all depends on you. So so this is what it looks like. I'm recording one odd feature right now. I'm recording this odd feature because I set it. So everything is actually controlled from the gimbal itself. I'm not supposed to always send my hand to the screen of the phone, except for some particular settings which I want to do before I start recording the video. But let me stop the video first. One good thing with using a gimbal is the fact that you can actually control everything. While filming, you don't have to always stretch yourself or stretch your hand to touch the screen of your phone, probably to start recording, stop recording, zoom in, zoom out, or maybe to switch between your front and the back camera, or maybe to switch between photos and videos. Everything can actually be done on the gimbal, and it is that free, it is that simple. So having a gimbal as a YouTuber here in Cameroon, or as someone who would want to make videos, is a big plus for me. And I know that this is actually gonna step up the game for me. So fingers crossed, you're gonna be seeing more stable videos, or more stable videos from me, and some professional shots as well. Expect that in my upcoming outdoor videos. You're gonna love them, I promise. And if it's fully charged and you want to use it straight, it's gonna last for 8 hours. So all of this I was trying to test, to see what it was able to do. This is actually my filming setup. This is what I do before I start filming any video. Every time I've got to come up, set all of this before coming back to disrupt everything. So this is actually it. You're just recording the whole video with me. If you watch the video to this end, why not give it a thumbs up by liking it? Please do leave a comment of what you think about this video. Do you think this gimbal is actually gonna be of help? Is it actually gonna be of any help? Fingers crossed, while I wait to hear from you guys. It was an amazing one doing this video with my gimbal. I just hope you enjoyed every bit of this video. I just hope you enjoyed every second of this video. And if you're someone who would love to see me travel across Cameroon, why not hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well. If you find this video an interesting one, why not share it to a friend? And it was awesome doing this. I hope you enjoyed watching every bit of it. I'm actually gonna see you in my next video. If you watch this video to this end, I'll be doing a live. It's my first live I'm gonna be doing. Friday, I don't know when Friday is. Friday is some few days from now. It's a peace out from here, South Africa. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.